This mini PC is an AI monster? ASUS NUC 15 Pro Review. Tiny size, massive power. You ever feel like your so-called PC setup is secretly plotting against you? Lagging when you open a browser tab. Freezing in the middle of a Zoom call. Or taking 5 minutes to boot like it's sipping coffee on company time. You want smooth multitasking, sleek power, something future-ready, but instead, you're stuck babysitting aging hardware that wheezes every time you say Photoshop. It's exhausting. The lack of speed drains your flow, the messy cables eat your focus, and honestly, you deserve more from something that's supposed to help you get things done. Now imagine it's Monday, your deadline is melting, Chrome has 32 tabs open, and your CPU fan sounds like a blender. You're battling crashing apps, overheating cores, and a system that chokes when it sees more than 2 monitors. Your productivity? MIA. Your sanity? Hanging by a thread. This isn't just inconvenience, it's performance purgatory. And the kicker? You're losing time and opportunity. Whether you're a creator, coder, streamer, or exec on the go, every glitchy second is a missed win. You're not running your machine, it's running you into the ground. Enter the ASUS NUC 15 Pro. Tiny in size, titanic in capability. Powered by Intel Series 1 Core 3, 100U processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast 512GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, this mini PC is your productivity comeback story. You get Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and Quad 4K display support all packed into a sleek, Toolless chassis. It's rugged, mil-standard 810H certified, eco-conscious, and whisper-quiet, perfect for work, play, and everything in between. It's not just a computer, it's your secret weapon for dominating the hybrid work world and beyond. With head-turning speed, simplified upgrades, VESA mounting, and remote manageability, hello Intel vPro, the ASUS NUC 15 Pro doesn't just outperform, it outclasses. You can stream, edit, present, and multitask like a wizard without touching thermal throttling. Want to upgrade RAM or storage? Pop it open, tool-free. Whether you're a digital nomad or a minimalist creator, this thing adapts to you. And yes, it handles AI tasks like a champ. It's time to leave lag, heat, and hardware headaches in the past. Want clarity, control, and clean power? This is your golden ticket. But heads up, these mini beasts are going fast. Inventory's tight and demand is hotter than a fried SSD. Thousands are already swapping their towers and clunky desktops for the compact brilliance of the NUC 15 Pro. So don't sit on this. Don't second guess. Click that link, grab your upgrade, and give your workflow the high-octane fuel it deserves. You've waited long enough. Make the switch now, before it's gone, and turn your desk setup from meh to monstrous. Let's go, future legend. This is your power move.